A lot of people ask me, they want to know it so bad. They want to know it so bad. They want to know, how does America sound in Chinese? In Chinese. Like how China sound in English. Well, I'll tell you what, it's very easy. It's called 美国. 美国. It's very easy. May is like Mayday. Maybe I'll do it, maybe I will not. Nobody knows. Guo is like Google. You put the frontal part of it and you put an option. Mei Guo, and you only take the art of it. Mei Guo, Mei Guo, Mei Guo, Mei Guo. Very easy. Very easy. China, China, China. 美国，美国，美国，美国。